Your grades. In the upcoming video, the animated character will show you in MyCC how to view your assignment grades as well as your main course grade.
Wherever you are within your e-learning course, select the gradebook link that appears on the sidebar. Here you can see your current cumulative grade for the class. You'll notice this student has an average of 92.94% at this time. This average can change with the completion and grading of additional assignments. Now, this section of the gradebook will allow you to comment on the grade. A comment is private and can be only read by you and your professor. Below the course grade, you can also view the grades you have earned on each individual assignment. To see more details, click on the assignment link. On the assignment page, you'll see your final grade at the top for that particular assignment. Your professor can also provide feedback for you that may help you improve your next assignment. In this case, Mr. Taylor applauded Erica on receiving 100% on this exam. As you can see, here is also another opportunity for you to add a comment for your professor. To view another assignment, you can choose the Next or Previous buttons here in the top right, or go back to the gradebook. And there you have it. Now you can view the grades you have earned within your e-learning course. Thanks for watching.